One of the biggest challenges in Hemlock is how to work with a team of collaborators, many of whom aren't programmers. Last weekend, I released an update to overcome this challenge. So today, I'm going to show you how programmers and non-programmers can collaborate on Hemlock projects. First, every collaborator needs a GitHub account and access to the project repo. Let's start with the programmers. So here I've created a Hemlock project and set up my virtual environment, and you can see that I'm in my Blackboard notebook. If you don't know what this means, you might want to check out the Hemlock tutorial first and come back to this. So imagine that we are creating a survey that starts with an instructions page, and we want our non-programmer collaborators to be able to easily edit the instructions. First, let's create a Markdown file and name it instructions.md. So we'll go to our Jupyter Lab launcher, create a Markdown file, and we'll add some instructions. Now, the way to add this into your Hemlock file is just to read the Markdown file in as you would read any other text file. And we can see that when we preview the page, the instructions are there. Okay, now you're going to commit your changes to the project repo. So we're going to git add, Great, now we've committed our instructions document to the project repository. Now let's turn to the non-programmer collaborators. If you're a non-programmer collaborating on a Hemlock project, this is what you need to do. First, you'll go to the project repository. You'll notice that there is a file named instructions.md. You're going to click on that, and you can see the instructions page here. To edit the instructions, you want to click on this pencil icon right here, and this allows you to edit the Markdown file. So now we're going to change the instructions to, here are some instructions with the meaning. You can preview your changes by clicking the Preview Changes tab, and switch back to the editor by clicking Edit File. So once we've previewed our changes and we're happy with the changes we've made, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Commit Changes. This is basically a fancy way of saying Save Changes. And if you're not a non-programmer, that is all you need to do. Your job is done. So let's turn back to the programmers. To get the changes that your collaborator made to the project, you're going to use Git Pull. Great. And now when you open the instructions Markdown file again, we see that the file has been changed according to the collaborator's updates. And if we want to preview the instructions page again, we also see that the instructions page has been changed. So that's it. That's all you need to do if you want to collaborate on a Hemlock project with non-programmers. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.